I love when we get close to this kind of record this time of year.
Oh, yeah, perfect.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah.
Record-setting high, even tying the record. Even getting into the 80s would be just lovely. And it looks like we're going to do that for tomorrow. First, we'll watch this precipitation that's working its way across the country. Look in the top left, the north central plains. That's the beginning of the rain that we're really going to feel on Friday, believe it or not. But all this precipitation, as it slides this way, this will have to evacuate first. Some snow and some rain up to the north and east. Also had quite a line that's developed here across North Georgia into the upstate of South Carolina. No warnings with any of that. And, of course, none of that is in our area yet. But what's back in the plains, that's what's eventually going to push in this direction. Look at the precipitation that will be just skirting by, very scattered, most of it not making it to the ground. This is Thursday at 6:30. By the time we get to Friday, a new line starts to organize, and that will be our best chance of precipitation, probably during the afternoon Friday into the early evening. Then wraparound snow will stay in the Ohio Valley. Don't worry about that. Watch what's developing back here again in the Northwest Gulf. That's our rain chances for next week. And starting Thursday, tomorrow into Friday, little bullet of precipitation will expand Friday afternoon, perhaps 1 to 2 inches according to this computer model, less than an inch other places. Boy, again, we'd like to see some of that rainfall, and hopefully that will come in our direction. But with the high clouds pushing by now, Storm Prediction Center is thinking that this area might be under a low risk of severe weather for tomorrow, and then that shifts to our area on Friday. So we're going to have to pay real close attention to that. Zip goes one front, little break in the action. This is Thursday's weather. Here comes Friday, and Friday's cold front with its storms ahead of it. It quickly will go by as well. If there's anything to worry about with Friday's weather, it may be just some briefly damaging winds. Don't think we're going to get as much rain as the computer models would like to suggest. Then high pressure takes over before the next system starts to push out of the Gulf of Mexico. 2:55 for the low tide, 8:57 high tide first thing in the morning. Look at our sunrise. It's actually before 7 o'clock now. 6:59 will be sunrise tomorrow morning. Doppler Max 11 forecast for tonight. We'll keep our shower chances in, especially for our northern counties, but I think most of us will stay dry tonight. 57 will be the overnight low with a southwest breeze, and 82 tomorrow. Again, a southwest wind, 10 to 16. That would tie the record from 1994 if we were able to get to 82. 64 tomorrow night. Friday, the 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms, and the low risk of some stronger storms on Friday. It's all done by Saturday, and Saturday cools off a bit. But the weekend is dry. Saturday 63, Sunday 63, with a 20% chance of showers late Sunday into Monday, and that's that Gulf moisture that's affecting the forecast toward the end of the 7-day forecast. So record-setting high, record-tying high perhaps for tomorrow. We'll watch that, and watch the weekend as well. With low 60s, no real rain out there anyway to be found, not like last weekend. Hope you get a chance to enjoy. Follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather. We'll update those highs every hour. No, we won't. But we'll keep you updated tomorrow.
Lots of time.
We'll have what we need.
We'll get it for you.
That's right. Thanks, John.